American Muscle Gang, what's happening? Oh crap, I'm about to get hit by the Coors Light. They can just let me go about my business and they can be good with it. Y'all feel me? But how y'all feeling today? It rained this morning, it didn't rain. Alright, they go to Wish to Be shop. We wish. We will have. He just need to give me the green light. He say he need to see something, so I'm gonna show him something with the help of y'all. But I figured I'd clean these cars up a little bit, make me feel a little better about them. So I went and got some materials. I got the mail lady. They don't care. They'll pull out in front of you. Yeah, it ain't like the city, y'all. Y'all didn't know. It ain't like the city in the country. Ain't nobody walking up and down no beat. No, they driving on the wrong side of the car and they putting in your mailbox for them driving off the passenger side. And the car's still a left-hand driver. Most of them. Some of them, they do got right hand. I don't know the opposite side. I ain't about to sit here and try to figure it out. Farm boy. Or farm woman. I don't know. Pokey Reese. I thought that was the Pokey Reese. Annoyed at me. I'm on that type of time. But I'm gonna get back with y'all. Bang. Alright, gang. I'm about to show y'all the stuff I just picked up from the store real quick. Starting off. We know everybody gotta have a purple power. You can't be a car person without that purple power. You ain't got no power if you ain't got the purple. So we gonna start off with the perp. Then we got us some Glass and Dash. And some multi-surface, glass and interior surfaces. Carpet stain and spot. Ice Breezer 1. And I came back real quick. You know why? Because before we do anything, let's get us a cold start. She's not very used to being started daily. Like, she's not used to it all. Let's see about us getting us some water. take it over there. So I think I'll take it where the grass is greener. Now look at that. It's a lot better. But enough of that. So sunny, but got it. Look at that floor now. Don't look too bad. Looks so much better on the darn camera though, I ain't gonna cap. But I just spent the last 10 minutes hitting water. And I don't mean water, I mean which this gets us here, folks. Yes, see all that dash stuff missing for a reason, all the miscellaneous change and stuff I found. These seats, oh my, they went from terrible to bad. Trust me, when I say they was worse, they were a lot worse. There's a lot of sun, but as you see, it is a lot better than what it was. That carpet was super terrible. The doors, we gonna figure something out for that. I already got something. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on this. Hey, you might like the video, you might not. I don't know. It is what it is. But I'll give you one better next time.